Start by finding a comfortable seated position, either on a chair or cushion, with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes softly and take a few deep breaths, allowing yourself to settle into this present moment. Begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air as it enters your nostrils, fills your lungs, and then gently releases as you exhale. Let each breath be a reminder to stay present, allowing any distractions or thoughts to simply drift away like clouds passing in the sky. Now, shift your attention to your body. Starting from the crown of your head, imagine a warm, soothing light flowing down through each part of your body. Feel this light as it relaxes any tension or tightness, melting away any stress or discomfort you may be holding on to. As the light reaches your forehead, feel the muscles soften and release. Allow your eyebrows to unfurl, your eyelids to grow heavy, and your cheeks to relax. Let go of any furrowed thoughts or worries, allowing your mind to become clear and calm. Now, bring your awareness to your jaw. Unclench your teeth and let your tongue rest gently on the roof of your mouth. Feel the tension melt away from your jaw and throat, allowing you to breathe more freely and deeply. With each breath, feel the light traveling down your neck and into your shoulders. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort, and with each exhale, allow them to soften and dissolve. Feel your shoulders becoming lighter and more relaxed with each passing moment. Now, bring your attention to your chest. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your breath as your lungs expand and contract. Feel your heart beating steadily in your chest, sending waves of warmth and relaxation throughout your body. As the light continues to flow down through your torso, feel it soothing any tension in your stomach and lower back. Allow your abdomen to rise and fall with each breath, feeling a sense of calm and ease wash over you. Now, bring your awareness to your arms and hands. Feel the warmth of the light as it travels down through your upper arms, elbows, forearms, and finally into your fingertips. Notice any sensations that arise as you relax into this moment, letting go of any need to control or fix anything. Take a moment to simply rest in this feeling of relaxation, allowing yourself to be fully present in your body and in this moment. Know that you are safe, supported, and deeply connected to the peace within you. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest once again. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gradually awakening your body as you prepare to return to your day. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to reorient yourself to your surroundings. Carry this sense of calm and relaxation with you as you continue with your day, knowing that you can always return to this place of inner peace whenever you need it.